Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then you will have to scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system. And here let's choose reset options. As you can see, on the second position we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so simply tap on it. And your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are ready, simply click on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pen, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Let's click on reset settings again. And as you can see, network settings have been reset and everything went correctly. So that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.